Welcome back everyone to another gameplay classic tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bleach Brave Souls game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, just look for the search button and then tap on it. Now you can type in Bleach Brave Souls to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on this button to now begin the download and installation of the game within your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button. You can tap on this button and you also have the auto open toggle, which will automatically launch the game once the installation is completed. Now once the game is opened up, you will be logged in through your Google Play Games account, and now you can continue playing the Bleach Brave Souls game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and play the Bleach Brave Souls game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.